Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Wisdom begins in wonder. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. All men by nature desire to know. He who has overcome his fears will truly be free. The energy of the mind is the essence of life. Learning is not child's play. We cannot learn without pain. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. Moral excellence comes about as a result of habit. Virtue lies in our power, and similarly, vice. The greatest virtues are those which are most useful to other persons. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. The high-minded man must care more for the truth than for what people think. What it lies in our power to do, it lies in our power not to do. Men acquire a particular quality by constantly acting in a particular way. Happiness is the reward of virtue. Happiness depends upon ourselves. The good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and end of human existence. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. The ideal man bears the accidents of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. Happiness is a state of activity. He who cannot be a good follower cannot be a good leader. Fortune favors the brave. Hope is a waking dream. A friend to all is a friend to none. Wishing to be friends is quick work, but friendship is a slow ripening fruit. Misfortune shows those who are not really friends. Without friends, no one would choose to live, though he had all other goods. Friendship is essentially a partnership. A true friend is one soul in two bodies. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. We should behave toward our friends as we would wish our friends to behave toward us. Friendship is a thing most necessary to life, since without friends no one would choose to live. The antidote for 50 enemies is one friend. Man is by nature a political animal. Democracy is when the indigent, and not the men of property, are the rulers. The worst form of inequality is to try to make unequal things equal. The law is reason, free from passion. Republics decline into democracies, and democracies degenerate into despotisms. Tyranny is a kind of monarchy which has in view the interest of the ruler only. A great city is not to be confounded with a populous one. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents. Justice is the bond of men in states. It is not enough to win a war, it is more important to organize the peace. All men by nature desire to know. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. To be conscious that we are perceiving or thinking is to be conscious of our own existence. He who sees things grow from the beginning will have the best view of them. The soul never thinks without a picture. Time crumbles things, everything grows old and is forgotten under the power of time. One swallow does not make a summer, nor does one day. All paid jobs absorb and degrade the mind. To perceive is to suffer. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. He who has never learned to obey cannot be a good commander. The greatest thing by far is to have a command of metaphor. A tyrant must put on the appearance of uncommon devotion to religion. Youth is easily deceived because it is quick to hope. The proof that you know something is that you are able to teach it. Great leaders must be able to endure envy. The best way to teach morality is to make it a habit with children. Young people are in a condition like permanent intoxication. The most important relationship in a city is between the ruler and the ruled. All men make mistakes, but a good man yields when he knows his course is wrong. No great mind has ever existed without a touch of madness. The end of labor is to gain leisure. Poverty is the parent of revolution and crime. The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. To enjoy the things we ought, and to hate the things we ought, has the greatest bearing on excellence of character. Shame is a kind of fear. The virtuous man is his own best friend. Nature does nothing uselessly. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Mothers are fonder than fathers of their children because they are more certain they are their own. Nature abhors a vacuum. The animal that lives longest is the one that is best adapted to its environment. We must, as second best, take the least of the evils. Change in all things is sweet. There is a principle in things which allows them to develop and reach their proper form. Excellence is never an accident. A likely impossibility is always preferable to an unconvincing possibility. The senses are the gateways to knowledge. The light of the sun is the same whether it shines on a diamond or a pebble. Time is the measure of change. First, have a definite, clear practical ideal, a goal, an objective. Through discipline comes freedom. No one chooses to live without friends, even if he has all other goods. The secret to humor is surprise. The happy man lives well and does well. A change in the shape of the soul produces a change in the fortunes of the individual. Well begun is half done. Education is the best provision for old age. We must be neither cowardly nor rash but courageous. Life is only meaningful when it is lived for something beyond itself.